Hey everybody, this is Chris back for another video relating to English pronunciation, and I'm really excited for this video because I've got Manoj back on the video today. We produced another video a little while back about some difficult to pronounce English words for Indian English speakers and students, and a lot of people enjoyed that. So today we're presenting you another video about difficult to pronounce English words, and we're going to do a bit of a comparison between the way that Manoj pronounces these words and the way that I pronounce them as an English speaker from the south of the UK. I know we have a lot of viewers on this channel from India, and I really hope you're going to enjoy this and find it interesting in some way or useful. And before we start, I'll hand this over to Manoj to do a bit of an introduction.
Hi Chris, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to be part of your another video. At this time I shall try to pronounce 50 words which are generally pronounced differently. Come on, let's get started. Adjacent.
Adjacent. The planes landed on adjacent runways.
Albeit.
Albeit. He finally agreed, albeit reluctantly, to help us.
Anarchy.
Anarchy. The overthrow of the military regime was followed by a period of anarchy.
Appalling.
Appalling. The workers were living in appalling conditions.
Apricot.
Apricot. She had no appetite for muffins and apricot jam that afternoon.
Archive.
Archive. The BBC's archives are bulging with material.
Banquet.
Banquet. A state banquet was held in honor of the Olympians.
Banyan.
Banyan. There is a large banyan tree on our campus.
Bass.
Bass. He always plays his stereo with the bass turned right up.
Bizarre.
Bizarre. That party was too bizarre for me.
Cache.
Cache. In computing, a cache is a hardware or software component that stores data.
Caprice.
Caprice. Anne's angry outburst was a caprice she wished she could take back.
Cereal.
Cereal. Drought has stunted the growth of this year's cereal crop.
Chassis.
Chassis. The company makes chassis for large vehicles.
Chimera.
Chimera. My little girl believes the dancing unicorn is real and not a chimera.
Collage.
Collage. She makes collages from everyday objects that she finds.
Concept.
Concept. She found the whole concept interesting.
Compete.
Compete. They simply cannot compete in the international market.
Consultation.
Consultation. There have been extensive consultations between the two countries.
Contraction.
Contraction. The design needs to allow for the extension and contraction of the metal.
Credence.
Credence. They could give no credence to the findings of the survey.
Celsius.
Celsius. It will be a mild night, around 9 degrees Celsius.
Demolition.
Demolition. The whole row of houses is scheduled for demolition.
Dilate.
Dilate. Horses sometimes dilate their nostrils when anxious.
Disciple.
Disciple. He was an ardent disciple of Gandhi.
Heir.
Heir. He has no heir to leave his future to.
Handkerchief.
Handkerchief. The girl dabbed her eyes with the handkerchief.
Honor.
Honor. It's a great honor to represent my country at the Olympics.
Iron.
Iron. Hematite is the most important iron ore.
Litre.
Litre. I drink 3 liters of water every day.
Marine.
Marine. Chemicals in some sunscreens harm marine life.
Massacre.
Massacre. Nobody survived the massacre.
Meme.
Meme. Other cultures have similar versions of this meme.
Mustache.
Moustache. An enormous black moustache drooped over his mouth.
Paradigm.
Paradigm. The war was a paradigm of the destructive side of human nature.
Pharaoh.
Pharaoh. Cleopatra VII is considered the last Egyptian pharaoh.
Radar.
Radar. They located the ship by radar.
Ration.
Ration. A ration card is needed to buy your monthly supplies.
Reconcile.
Reconcile. It was hard to reconcile his career ambitions with the needs of his children.
Salad.
Salad. All main courses come with salad or vegetables.
Seismic.
Seismic. Earthquakes produce two types of seismic waves.
Spinach.
Spinach. My daughter doesn't like eating spinach.
Stir.
Stir. Stir the paint before you use it.
Suggestion.
Suggestion. He rejected my suggestion as impractical.
Tier.
Tier. We have a two-tier system of management.
Usher.
Usher. The usher seated the guests in the front row.
Vehicle.
Vehicle. The police think that he was driving a stolen vehicle.
Vanilla.
Vanilla. I had to make a choice between chocolate and vanilla.
Yacht.
Yacht. He spent 3 days adrift on his yacht.
Sponge.
Sponge. Wipe the surface with a damp sponge. Okay, so those are 50 words in English with confusing pronunciations that might prove hard to learners and non-native speakers. How many of these pronunciations did you get wrong before or did you not know about? I really hope this video helped you, and I think Manoj has something he wants to say as well.
If any of these words are pronounced differently by you, comment below.
Okay everybody, that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please join me again next time for another English learning and pronunciation video. See you next time, everybody.